easy way to compress the piston back into the caliper. Put the old pad in there. This one's got a broken tab. But then take a piece of metal with a bolt through it with a nut on it. You put that in there. Should loosen the nut off. Sorry about that. But okay, once that's in there, should be able to just hold the nut on the other side, crank her up. Sorry for the extreme zoom there. Here, I'm going to try and turn some more light on. You want to roughly center it in there. Crank her up. Have it pushing on the center of the old brake pad. Then grab a wrench or a ratchet in a socket. Once it's tight enough, the nut will just stay in place. But you just start cranking her up. If I can hold this right. You'll see it'll push evenly on there. I'm sure there's fancy kits and stuff you can buy for this, but this is an easy way of doing it. You just keep on cranking the bolt, and she compresses. That's WD-40, don't worry. That can't be brake fluid leaking out of the bolt that holds the caliper. But that's the easy way of doing this. Short little video for now, but check out my channel for more of these, the Broken Yokes and Tire Smoke on YouTube. Also check out my Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That's it for now.